Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying services and access. Check Xbox Live and Epic account status, then make sure you can receive email or 2FA codes. Next, power cycle the Xbox and your router. This clears transient network issues. If possible, plug the console into Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi problems. Once done, try signing in to the Epic website from a PC or phone. This verifies credentials independently and prepares you to unlink. Now you'll unlink and reauthorize the Xbox connection on Epic. Sign into your Epic Games account on a browser, open connected accounts, and remove the Xbox link to force a fresh auth. Wait 10 to 15 minutes so tokens expire across services. Then on your Xbox, open Fortnite and choose to link account when prompted, or relink from the Epic site. Make sure to accept permission prompts immediately, since delays can cause token timeouts and repeat failures. Finish by clearing the Xbox cache. Hold power 10 seconds, unplug 30 seconds, then restart. If linking still fails, uninstall and reinstall Fortnite to remove corrupted local credentials. Also check NAT type and ensure common gaming ports are open on your router. Install any pending Xbox system updates. If problems persist, use Epic Account Recovery to reset permissions and contact Xbox support with your error codes and timestamps. This targeted approach resolves token, permission, and local cache issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.